Hi, Lucas and Johan. This is your lesson 10 Physical Changes. As you know, matter can be found in three different forms: solid, liquid, or gas. And for example, we can think about water. Water can be ice, which is solid, it's hard. Water can be solid, like water that you drink from a cup, or it can be a gas, like steam, like what happens when you are drinking something really hot or when you are showering with hot water. When we talk about solids, we know that they have a fixed size and shape. Fixed means that it doesn't change. Uh, so a solid always have the same size and the same shape, like a brick. A solid may change its shape but stay solid. For example, if you break that brick or a block of ice, you smash it and it breaks into smaller pieces, but still those pieces are solid. But if the ice, for example, is heated and it melts, it becomes water, the shape changes. It becomes a liquid. A liquid has a fixed size, meaning that the size of the liquid doesn't change. For example, you have a liter of water. That's not going to change. It's always 1 liter of water or 1 cup of water. But it doesn't have a fixed shape, means that the shape can change. Liquids always take the shape of their container. If I have a really tall glass, if I have I don't know, a round bowl or a square tupper and I put water in it, suddenly the water is round or a square, but still it's the same amount of water, 1 liter or 1 cup. Do you get it? And then for gas, some matter is gas, and gas doesn't have a fixed size or shape, meaning that it's always changing. We don't know the size of gas, we don't know the shape of gas because it's always expanding. Usually gases are invisible, we can't see them, but some of them we can, like chlorine gas, which is a color green and yellow, and it's poisonous, it's deadly. And what kind of matter? It's perfume. When you smell something, you're smelling gases. Like when your mom cooks and you smell, it smells good. That's a gas. And air, it's a mixture of gases. And usually we don't see them, as I explained before. When liquids disappear, most of the time they become gases. Like when you leave water outside and it's really hot and you come back and the water is gone, it's because water became a gas, water vapor. When you smell a perfume, it's because the liquid of the perfume became gas. Gases comes from liquids. When you cool a gas, it becomes a liquid again. Like what happens when rain evaporates and then when it gets cooled, comes together and becomes rain. When ice melts, a physical changes take place, or a liquid changing to a solid, it's another physical change. Or when liquids change to gas, a physical change means that the shape or the size of something is changing, but it's still the same thing. Like what happens with water? Water can be an ice cube, but when it melts, it can be just water. And when water gets hot, it can change to water vapor, but still it's water. If I smash a brick or a sugar cube, they get smaller, but they are still a brick. They are still sugar. They don't change. They don't change to other thing. Just they change how they are presented in a way. Okay, that would be it.